This dahlia is called Double Jill, and I love her. She is so pretty. Hi, I'm Jane. I love to garden, and I have been so busy. I have not been in my garden in the last little bit. So I need to get out here and work on a bouquet. We're almost done with that pile of wood chips. We made the choice to put wood chips all along the front, kind of like a patio. And eventually, if we decide we want some grass, then we can decide where to put the grass. But for now, we're doing wood chips. But anyway, let's make a bouquet. I love it out here. Some of my coleus are so long that I can use them in this bouquet, especially that lime green. See this coleus? Look how tall the branches are on this lime coleus. And then I got some coneflowers and spirea. Let's go put this bouquet together. Want to help, Linz?
Oh, sure.
You gonna make one for your teacher?
Yeah.
Yeah? So these are the flowers that I just picked. And Lindsay is blowing up balloons for her dad for his birthday. That's super sweet.
Don't tell my dad it's his surprise birthday party.
Okay. So I'm going to bring these inside. I got Lindsay with my finger. I'm going to bring the flowers inside to hydrate them. I'm going to help Lindsay with the balloons. We're going to have dinner, and I can possibly get these done tonight. If I don't, I'll come back out tomorrow and work on the bouquet. Wow, look at this one. So I honestly can't find the tag at the moment because I put everything so close together. I got to figure out how to get their names up by their heads. But if you can, hopefully it's picking up the color. Oh my goodness. And there is some bug damage on the very edge of the petals. But this is the most glorious color. Wow. This dahlia is so dark, but it's not showing the colors. It's picking up more of the pinks and reds. So it's the next day. This is what I picked, and it's been hydrating in the house for a little bit. And I have about 45 minutes before all my kids start coming home, and then we have to get all the activities done that we have tonight. So I need this for my mental health. We have been so busy. I have been so busy for 2 weeks with all the chaos going on at my house. So I am going to take a moment and build a bouquet for me, for my mental health. So come along. Okay, I'm over here in the shade. Look at this. Isn't it just glorious? Oh my goodness. I think it's black satin, but I'll try to find the tag. Look at this coleus. Isn't that awesome? Not quite sure what coleus, but it's a lime color. So here's cornel. Look at it next to that. You can tell the difference in the colors. But a bug bit it, so we're going to have to see if we can still. It's awfully short too. This one is Golden Scepter. Look at my garden roses. These are Double Delight. I don't know what this is. It might be Moonstone. And this one doesn't look like it's going to hold its shape very long. We've got zinnias. We've got straw flowers. A couple different types of celosia here. Look at the color of that straw flower. Next. Oh, that's going to be pretty. I have some coneflowers, but I think I'm going to take the petals off and just use that because that'll look just gorgeous. I have some foliage. This foliage is potato vine. This foliage is from black lace elderberry. So it's supposed to be a lot darker, but it was in the shade. And then I have 2 dangling amaranth. So over here I have cornel, double Jill. This is the autumn joy sedum, and it looks so cool with a little bit of color. Here's my white aster, some zinnias. So I was calling this one Mardi Gras, but I actually don't know if that's Mardi Gras. Let me see if I can remember it and put it on the screen. Little tiny ball dahlias. They're so cute, but the stems aren't very good. I have spirea branches that are just starting to put on some pink and purple again. And then look at the garden roses on this side. Gorgeous. And look at the bright yellow. And then I do have 2 calendula there. Some more zinnias. And then the foliage I love, which is pink splash weigella. I was at the thrift store and I got 3 different vases. So which vase would you choose? I think I'm going to go for this one, but let's see as we put it together what matches better. I don't think the blue, sometimes you want it to be a total contrast. So I don't know. I'm just going to get started. I'm going to build my base. I'm going to put my supporting flowers or my filler in, and then I'm going to do my main focus flowers. And this one I don't think I'm going to do any wire. This one might need chicken wire in it. I don't know. So I built my base with white asters, spirea, and pink splash weigella. This is what I have so far. I kind of like the mounded circle shape. It's getting kind of windy out here, so it's hard to hear. So I think it needs a little more spike element. So I'm going to look in my garden behind me, and I think I want those pink tall asters. So let me show you. So the asters that I'm talking about are right here. So I don't know if they're the right color or not. Let me pull this closer. Maybe. So let me get a couple of those and just add them in. And then I think our bouquet is done. I always want more sedum. You got to see this. Isn't that beautiful? Gorgeous. I think I found what I want to finish that off. These celosia, I can't tell if it's a celosia or an amaranth. And then look at these. Lime green with yellow. Yep, that's what it needed. Now let me turn it a little bit and see what else. Maybe a sprig right there, or a couple more sedums might fill it in perfect. I'm gonna get rid of that bloom. Oh, I need like 12 of those. Oh, this one's coming out. I think my bouquet needs some lamb's ear. As always, that was a complete blast. This might be my new favorite. Don't I say that every time I make a new one? Not every time. Okay, let me get it on a table and I'll give you some more detail. These are the last two. So as I was twirling it, I saw a hole. I think that'd be beautiful down there. And then there's always room for a sedum. Probably over there, like right there. Oh, I love it so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really needed this. Bye. This is what didn't cut it in the last bouquet. So let's see what I can do with this. So I decided to put the rest of the flowers in the blue one. And I'm not sure it works, but I'm having fun with color. So I'm gonna go around and see what else I can tie in to this yellow. See, the back of it doesn't have hardly anything. So I'm thinking maybe it'll just be a front-facing one. I don't know. Let's see what else we can do to finish this off. I love to take pictures of it or take video, and then I can see where I feel like things are missing. Here, maybe here. All right, let's see what we can do. My yellow rose was falling apart, and I didn't think it quite made it work very well. So I need to go figure out what I want to fill in a couple of these gaps. I can do autumn joy sedum. I can do another color of rose, maybe a peach, to pull some more of this out. I've cut quite a few of my roses on this side, so I'm trying to decide maybe the color. All right, let's keep looking. I wasn't sure if it would work, and I don't know if it does. Nope. But the greens do. That could be used as filler. That's why I only grabbed one sprig of aster. I love the spirea branches in there. So pretty. I need this color, but the bugs got it. So I wonder if I can put something on it to kind of disguise that. I need to walk it over because I don't know what colors work with this. I could do some cosmos. This color doesn't work with a lot. This pinky purple. Ooh, I got a yellow one about to bloom. Soft yellow. You know what? Once again, I think those reds over there are going to be my friend. I think that those roses with the two-tone are gonna look so fabulous in this bouquet. Yep, and I thought it was gonna be the peach. Okay, it's getting kind of dark. I want a light color this direction. Maybe peach. I don't know. So these are what I cut. A couple roses, some cosmos, another celosia. I kind of like the wispiness of that. And then another. So let's see if I can add that in. We are losing light. Okay, it's done. I put it in a clear vase. The blue was just throwing me off, and I really like it. I think this is where that looks good. Amaranth. Look how pretty. Okay, I'll have to show you more detail tomorrow because we've lost our light. It's the next day. My life is chaos. So anyway, I'm going to show you in detail what these look like and see if anything lasted the night. If it didn't last the night, I'm going to finish them real fast and then do some video. Okay, so this one needs just a little bit of help. This rose is blown so open that I might have to take that out. If I had any more cornel, I would put one or two right here. This one over here looks so amazing, and I love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.